Every product on the shelf tells a story, just like that creamy, refreshing, to-go cold brew coffee you pick up at the supermarket, delivering the same great taste every time. Behind that consistency is a world of complex knowledge management that protects the quality you love. From the first bean selection to the final bottling, every step generates critical data, bills of materials, formulas, test results, experiment insights, and more. Evolving to production, scale-up, and localization, Siemens Enterprise Recipe Management supports the path from idea to production recipe execution. No single person can hold all product information. And what if those knowledge holders leave the company? To stay competitive, manufacturers need a secure, centralized source of truth that captures all this knowledge in one place. This ensures every stakeholder works with the same accurate, up-to-date, and searchable information, turning data into an advantage. A centralized knowledge repository automatically calculates ingredient lists and creates compliant labels, leveraging nutritional information, allergens, and product claims. Automatically generated documentation and reports keep everyone aligned, protecting brand reputation and product consistency. Tamper-proof access controls keep formulations, product innovations, and sensitive data secure and compliant, protecting your intellectual property at every stage. All the innovation data of product development will be documented in the 360-degree project documentation and is accessible for reuse and to learn from previous developments. And when it's time to launch a new flavor, global teams can use existing knowledge, accelerating innovation. This is where knowledge management meets execution and becomes your competitive edge. Powered by Siemens Enterprise Recipe Management Solution.